In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import your photos from your iPhone directly into your photos library if you are not using the cloud. So what you do is you open up your photos library and then you connect your phone with a USB cord, and it will pop up here in the sidebar as a device, and then it will access the photos on your phone. So here we can see that there are no photos that are already in the library. They're all new items, and you get the option, if you tick that on, next time you plug in your phone, Photos app will open automatically. And I'm going to input them into the library. You could also import them into a new album or into an existing album. So at the moment we're just going to choose library, and then I don't want to import them all. I'm going to choose these last 4 ones, select them and import 4 selected photos. And you notice how it jumped to that import folder now. So in that folder I can see all my past imports, and I can see I've just imported these 4. And when I go to the photos view, which is basically what you see in your camera roll on your mobile, I can see that it has added these 4 photos. This is always the chronological view, so if you import photos that are from way back, like 2 years back, they will not show up here, but they will show up in the chronological order. And that's it. So what you can now do is you can disconnect your phone like this. Now you see it's disappeared. And on your phone you can now delete your photos if you want to.